Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock a channel in Discord step by step. So first of all, you need to come here on discord.com and then log in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, you just have to select that particular server which is containing the channel that you want to lock. For example, let's say I've selected this new club server over here. So after selecting it, you just have to simply find the channel in your list, and right next to that particular channel you just have to simply click on this gear icon. So after clicking on the gear icon option, you will be landed here inside the overview page. So I want you to click on the option of permissions. Now inside permissions, make sure that in the roles and the members everyone is selected. Then simply scroll down a bit and look for the option of text channel permissions. Inside it you will find the option of send messages. So by default it will be set on the check option. So you just have to simply click on the option of the cross icon in order to deny this particular permission for everyone. Now if you want moderators or the admins to keep posting, you can just simply select their role under the permissions section, and then you can allow send messages for that particular role specifically. Now once you have done that, simply just click on the option of save changes in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and this particular channel is now effectively logged for the regular members only, and they can still view the channel and read its existing messages, but they won't be able to send the new ones unless their role has permission. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.